Have you ever wondered how to achieve financial freedom? How to break free from the chains of monthly bills, never-ending loans, and the constant worry about your financial future? Well, the journey to financial freedom might not be as far-fetched as you might think. Today we will walk you through 5 clear, manageable steps to help you navigate your way to financial independence. Step 1. Understand your income and expenses. It's crucial to know exactly how much money is coming in and going out every month. This understanding forms the foundation of any financial plan. Start by listing your sources of income, followed by your fixed and variable expenses. Remember, knowledge is power, and in this case, it's the power to control your financial future. Step 2. Create a budget. A budget is not a restriction, but a reflection of your decisions. It can help you prioritize your spending, manage your money, and stay focused on your financial goals. Be realistic when setting your budget, and remember that it's not set in stone. It should be flexible enough to adjust with your financial situation. Step 3 is to build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and an emergency fund acts as a financial safety net. It can cover unexpected expenses like medical emergencies or sudden job loss without derailing your financial stability. Aim to save enough to cover at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. Step 4. Eliminate debt. Debt is like a leak in your financial boat. No matter how hard you paddle, if you don't patch the leak, you will never reach your destination. Start by identifying your debts, then create a plan to pay them off. It can be a long process, but remember, every journey starts with a single step. And finally, step 5, invest. Investing is the key to growing your wealth and achieving financial freedom. It can be in stocks, real estate, or any other form of investment that suits your risk tolerance and financial goals. But remember, investing is not about getting rich quick, it's about building wealth over time. So, let's recap. To achieve financial freedom, you need to understand your income and expenses, create a budget, build an emergency fund, eliminate debt, and invest. Each step is like a rung on the ladder to financial freedom. Each one is important, and each one will bring you closer to your goal. Remember, financial freedom is not a destination, it's a journey. It's about making conscious decisions every day that will shape your financial future. So start today, take that first step. And remember, the path to financial freedom is not a straight line. It's a journey of ups and downs. But with patience, perseverance, and a clear plan, you can achieve your financial goals and live the life you've always dreamed of.